പറഞ്ഞോ കട്ട് ചെയ്യാം.
Hello guys, welcome back to Sri Krishna YouTube channel. So we bought a new phone for our mother.
Yes, and it is Samsung Galaxy A42 5G mobile.
Yeah.
So let's unbox it.
Okay.
So here the features of this mobile is that it has advanced quad camera, that is it has 4 cameras and it starts with the 48 MP main camera. It also has ultra wide camera to get you will get wide angle, that is 80 degree, and you will also have you can also get ultra wide angle, that is 123 degree. And there is macro camera. That macro camera pays attention to the tiny details, and also the front camera, so you can have live focus.
So let's unbox it. Oh.
There is 15 volt of adaptive fast charging, so Galaxy A42 5G gets back to full power real quick. And it has RAM. Galaxy A42 5G combines octa-core processing power with up to 8 GB of RAM, and the internal storage is 1 to 8 GB, and you can also internal storage or add even more space with 1 TB micro SD card. So yes, that is the features.
Okay. So this is the phone.
You have the earphone over here and the charger.
There is
Charger. Yes, so it's written that it has Infinity U display and quad camera. Yes, so this is Samsung Galaxy A42 5G mobile. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.